Hello and welcome back to Richmond's Business, your go-to channel for all things business and tech related. In this video, we'll be discussing 10 Microsoft Word tips that can help you work smarter and faster. And remember, we've already done the 5 in our part 1 of the video, so we're going to do the remaining 5, and this is part 2. Without further ado, let's dive right into it. Tip 6. Use autocorrect to save time in typing. Now, autocorrect is a feature in Microsoft Word that automatically corrects common misspellings and typos as you type. You can also use it to create your own custom shortcuts, which can save you even more time. To use autocorrect, simply go to the File tab, click on Options, and then select Proofing. From there, you can add your own custom corrections or edit an existing ones. So let's see some custom corrections here. So ignore words in uppercase. No, you want them to look at every word there. Ignore words that contain numbers. Well, you may want to ignore that. Ignore internet and file addresses. Yes. Flag repeated words. Yes, you want them to flag it, so you leave it. Enforce accented appearance uppercase in French. I'm not French, I don't type French, and you want to take your time to go through all of this. Now you can also customize, so autocorrect options. So I can say that I can just add it. So these are lists that we have. So if you type something like about a and you mistakenly leave it together, Microsoft automatically separates it, right? About it, you have it there. About there. So these are like, if I type already, so that instead of D before Y, there's a mistake. Windows Word automatically correct it for you. There are lots of search suggestions here. Now you can add your own. So let's say if I type A and leave it, they should replace it with the uppercase A. If I add it, anytime I type A like this in a document, to change to this, right? So you want to be careful what you add. That's it for you. Tip number 7 is customize the ribbon. Now this is the ribbon. The ribbon is a Microsoft Word. The ribbon in Microsoft Word is where all the tabs and tools are located. By customizing the ribbon, you can create a more efficient workflow by placing the most commonly used word or tools in a more convenient location. Now, to customize the ribbon, simply right-click on it. So this is a ribbon. I can right-click anywhere and then select Customize Ribbon. From there, you can add or remove tabs and tools as you see fit. So these ones, I can say add to this, right? And if I add it, it becomes the main tab, right? So I don't want to do that. But the main tab, some of them are missing. So like developer, I want to add it. If you don't need it, don't add it. And you can even open it up and see under design we have document format and we have background, and that the options are still here, right? So you can take your time. If you want me to do a detailed video on this, again, leave it in the comment section and we'll get to it. Now tip number 8 is use track changes to collaborate with others. If you're working on a document with others, track changes can be a valuable tool. It allows you to see all the changes that have been made to a document and accept or reject them as needed. To use track changes, simply go to Review and select Track Changes. From there, any changes made to the document will be tracked and highlighted. The next tip 9 insert hyperlinks for easy navigation. If you have a long document with a lot of sections, adding hyperlink can make it much easier to navigate. Hyperlinks can be used to link to other sections within the document, external websites, or even other documents. To add hyperlinks, simply select the text you want to link to and click on the Insert tab. From there, select Hyperlink and enter the link you want to use. So we have existing file on web page. So if I want to go into a document, I click this, a web page somewhere, I click it, then I enter the website address here. If I want to link to a place in this document, I select this and all the sessions will come. Like I said, this document don't have a lot of sessions, so if they were, they will be there. Then you select, here we have only one. If you want to create a new document and link to this one, you can select that, name the document, and then you go from there. You can also link an email address, email subject, and you write the email and all that. So let's try placing this document. I select this, I say okay, and now you can see it's a link. So if I click on the link, it should take me to the place in that website, or that part of the document. Now how do I get taken to that document? When I hover the mouse pointer on this, you see there's a note, current document. Click Ctrl plus click to follow the link. So I have to press the Ctrl key, then you see the mouse pointer changes to a hand. Without the Ctrl key is not a hand, so you can't just click on it and it takes you. I have to press Ctrl, then I get taken there. Excellent. Now last but not the least, tip 10. Use the quick access toolbar for easy access to your favorite tools. The quick access toolbar is a customizable toolbar that sits above the ribbon. It allows you to add your most frequent used tools for easy access. To customize the quick access toolbar, simply click the drop down arrow at the end of the toolbar and select more. Say select more commands. From there you can add or remove tools as needed. So already I have these three, so I can pick any of these and add it to it. So let's say I want to add what should I add? Okay, let me just pick anything. Add table. Yes, so add table to it. And there is print, preview, and print. Should I remove that? I can remove it. It goes. And now I say okay. So you see now our table is there. That's gonna do it. If you got something out of today's tutorial, please like the video and share. That kind of thing helps any channels like this. Also subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell. Remember that this video was suggested by our viewers, so if you have any tech problem or question, please leave it in the comment section. Until we meet again, adios.